Good evening, everybody. I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's your girl Z here, coming to bring you some more value and other ways that you can earn money online. All right, before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell beside it so you get notified when I post new videos. Okay, so the name of this program or platform is $25 One Up. You may remember a video that I have in here that's a promo video. A little while back that kind of explains everything, but I wanted to go ahead and get into the back office to go in more detail so you can see all of the value that you actually receive with this. This platform is it's a automated commissions. It allows you to receive automated commissions generated from $25 on up to $1,000 depending on what level you come in at. Now the great thing about this system and this platform is it's been around since 2018. It's tried and tested. Lots of people have used it. Lots of people have made money off of it. I've been using this since about the end part of 2019. I want to say October, and I've done really well with it. But what's really great about it is the training that you receive. So whether you're a newbie, intermediate, or advanced, there's something for everyone, and it starts at, like I said, $25. So the gold level is, and it's a one-time $10 fee for your website. So, and that's just one time. So $35. So that's $10 plus 25. And we're just going to stick with that for now so you can see what comes in the gold level. So the $25 level will actually have all of these things in it, and I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of what's in it so that you can see, because obviously I can't open it up. That's actually what you receive as a member. So you're going to get copy and paste ads. These are pre-written ads, and there's lots and lots of them back there. You're also going to get your $35 business training. You're going to get a copy of a cheat sheet for Facebook, so it'll show you how to market on Facebook properly. It'll teach you about Facebook groups, 50 different ways that you can promote any business. So this will be on social media as well as offline. Mindset motivation. Motivation is extremely important. Business mindset training, very important. And then it goes into educating you on what a digital franchise is, basics of a sale funnel, and automated marketing system. What's the difference between affiliate marketing and referral marketing? And then here's the kicker. Essentially, when I started this in October or November, it was a part of a 30 days to $1,000 challenge that I was a part of, and it helped tons and tons of people. Now that's actually included in the back at the $25 level. This is huge, huge, huge. So if you're a newbie and you're wanting to get started, just so you know, I'll have my link down in the description. And of course, anybody that gets started up under me, if you need any help outside of this, I'm always available to help you any way that I can. But this is going to kind of give you a blueprint and a roadmap to go ahead and start generating income online and starting at the $25 level. Now, you can move up if you choose to the higher levels of platinum, $100, and then there is the diamond and enterprise for $250, $500, and $1,000. And that's just basically going to open up, unlock more training to you, as well as allow you to make more 100% commissions directly to you from other people that you sign up as your team begins to grow. So basically, that's it. That's all of this system. That's what I wanted to show. Is just the tons and tons of value that you get into it. Like I said, it's money well spent. You can start out for $35. That's the $10 payment for your website, which is a one-time fee, and also $25. That's a one-time fee, and you have the choice to upgrade if you choose to do so. So I hope you guys got some value out of this. I hope this was able to help you. Once again, I'll have my link down in the description if you want to get started. Also, I'll have my contact information if you have any questions about anything. Before we get out of here, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and also hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. All right, guys, until the next video, talk to you later. Peace.